If you own or you're waiting to pick up a JAECOO J7 petrol or hybrid and you don't yet have a dash cam, or you've got one of those ugly stick on the windscreen dash cams, I've got you covered, because I've teamed up with myjaecoo.co.uk to do a giveaway of exactly that, a 4K dash cam. That's too hot, so let me go into my office. Now, I personally have already installed one into my JAECOO. If you're worried about installing it, don't worry, I've already done a video on it. It is super easy. It's a plug and play system. It's neat and it's minimalist, and it just blends into the car really, really well. The standard of driving these days is definitely dropping, and as you can tell by this little clip here, this is taken from the 4K dash cam, and you just need it. You just need to be able to protect yourself in case the stupid drivers out there play silly buggers. There's only 3 things you need to do to be entered into this competition. Before we go any further, I do want to say this is for anyone in the UK only. If you're outside of the UK, I'm sorry, but yeah, UK entrants only. 3 things you need to do. Number 1 is you need to subscribe to my channel. Easy, done. Push the little subscribe button. Moving on. Number 2 is you need to go on to myjaecoo.co.uk. Website link will be in the description box below, and you need to sign up to their mailing list. Now, the cool thing with the mailing list, the first time you sign up for it, you get a 10% discount for that first purchase, and you also get a J7 guide, which is really helpful because these things are just massive computers with so many little things to know and to realise. And honestly, you don't know you need that much information until you own one. Once you've subbed onto my channel and then you've signed on to the mailing list, all you need to do then is come back to this video. Comment dashcam. This video is going to be live from the 1st of July until the 7th of July. So the first week in July is the only time you can enter to be involved to win this dashcam. On the 8th of July, I will pick a winner. From there, I'll come back onto this video and I will let that person know they've won. They need to then email me so we can be in communication and we can sort out the shipping. I won't need any payment information. There's nothing like that. You don't need to pay anything. It's a free competition just to win this 4K dash cam for your JAECOO J7 petrol or hybrid. And then once that unit's been shipped off, I'll turn off the comments so no one else can enter. It's as simple as that. If you want yourself a dash cam, subscribe, sign up to the mailing list and comment. Good luck to anyone who is from the UK who does enter, and I'll be messaging the lucky winner on the 8th of July 2026. As always, like, subscribe, plenty of videos on the JAECOO J7, and I'll see you on the next one.